Okay, to continue with the basic tomato sauce. A basic tomato sauce is so easy. It takes a little bit of time to cook out. If you use a good quality canned tomato like these, this happen to be my favorite, then it doesn't take as long to cook out. There really is no reason to be using a bought sauce if you have canned tomatoes available. This particular sauce, the tomatoes aren't in water, they're in sauce, so that makes it even better. I will scoop out the tomatoes and I crush them by hand. Those of you who've been in class will remember doing this. Often there are pieces of basil in with these tomatoes, so I need to just sort through and make sure there's not anything. So one of the things you want to do is put your thumb where the stem goes so that you crush that and then just squish the tomatoes. If you're a texture person, this is not going to be fun. Okay. Again, I put my thumb on the stem so that I'm crushing, because that is the part that takes the longest to cook and break down.
Are you recording right now?
Okay, and again, tomatoes in. This is twice the recipe normal, so there's 2 cans of tomatoes. You can use these, you can use any others. When I use these, I find I don't need to use tomato paste with it. I just cook down the tomatoes for about 20 minutes, half an hour. Crushing the tomatoes, making sure I break up the stem piece. Oh, there's a bit of basil. Let me pull that out.
What's going on?
Okay, so they're all kind of broken up. It's chunky bits.